Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
When choosing a cold wallet, prioritize hardware models that support your specific coins and that use a 24-word seed backup phrase for recovery. Check features like secure element chips, open source firmware, and Bluetooth versus USB connectivity. Prefer USB only for less attack surface. Expect price ranges around 0 to 00 depending on brand and features. Always buy directly from the manufacturer website or an authorized retailer to avoid tampered or pre-initialized devices and reduce supply chain risk. On receipt, inspect package seals and serial numbers. Do not trust pre-configured devices. Initialize offline by connecting the hardware wallet to a clean, updated computer or an air-gapped device, and follow manufacturer steps to generate a new 24-word seed. Write that seed on a fireproof metal plate or heavy-duty paper backup stored in a secure location, not on cloud storage or photos. Set a strong PIN and enable optional passphrase support to add an extra account-level password layer. Before transferring large amounts, send a small test transaction to confirm addresses and network fees. Once confirmed, send your full allocation, checking address checksums, and using address verification on the device screen. Regularly keep firmware updated via the manufacturer's official app and verify update signatures to prevent malicious firmware. Store multiple backups of your 24-word seed in geographically separate, secure locations like a safe deposit box and a home fireproof safe. Never expose seeds to cloud storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.